Good morning and welcome back to the last day of our Disney vlogs. Heather, where are you at? Oh, there she is. I'm trying to enjoy breakfast over here, and a bird pooped right on my arm.
Still up there.
I don't know if you can see him or not. I'm so angry. Heather thinks it's the best thing that ever happened the whole trip. Oh my, I gotta go find a napkin. That's the bird that pooped on me. That one right there, eating his morning donut and pooping on me. We are on the search for a drinking fountain because I have managed to lose not one,
but
two of the nice Brita filter water bottles that we brought for this trip. I lost one at the Animal Kingdom a few days ago, and apparently I left one on the bus this morning while we were driving in. Heather's not very happy with me. She thinks it's funny actually, but I'm so thirsty. We gotta find some water. We've got fast passes for Mine Train today. What's your favorite ride?
My favorite ride?
Yeah. What's your favorite?
Ever?
Here. Magic Kingdom.
No. Love me with some Pirates.
Yeah, Pirates is really good. I don't know what mine is. It might be Pirates here. Yours is Pirates?
Probably.
I like the Haunted Mansion a lot. I like the idea of it more than the ride itself. But it's a lot of fun. But I also love the Mine Train.
It works here, but it's on. Just go to the blue umbrella, they can fix that. Okay.
Let me see that shirt.
Ooh.
We both got our Pooh stuff on today. We'd go take a picture with Pooh, but it takes like an hour.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll catch a short ride. We won't. Rate your ride.
Great.
Great. Great is, I guess, a rating. Just looking for more like a 1 out of 10.
Oh. 9.5.
9.5. Excellent.
Oh, sweet, we gotta show him the bag too. Look at this bag. It's a map of the 100-acre woods. There you are, Chigger.
Bugs everywhere. Well, we had to meet Pooh today since we were all dressed up in our Pooh stuff. Pooh loved everything Heather was wearing. She has the backpack, the shoes, the shirt. Full on Pooh today. It was pretty fun. We had a good time. Now we're off to the Buzz Lightyear ride so I can put the smack down on Heather again. I think she's getting kind of mad about these, but...
I give up on this one.
What are you gonna do? I keep telling her how to win. Isn't that right? I told you all the secrets. She's just not listening. Anyways, today I'm going to get to Galactic Hero. You're going down. Nailed it. You did pretty good too. Stop. You did pretty good. Galactic Hero, number 1. Heather is our honorary galactic hero because she fought the good fight. Her gun wasn't working right. That's what she's gonna tell you.
Every time.
Every time. Every time something's malfunctioning.
Please step careful not to push your platforms and step
Nice little afternoon pool and relaxation break. Very wonderful and much needed. Now it's our last time walking into Magic Kingdom for this trip, unfortunately. Heather's making her sad face. But we're gonna enjoy the last few hours we have here. It is a very crowded night of the Magic Kingdom tonight. We are having a hard time getting a fast pass for anything, so we are just kind of walking around and enjoying the weather now and trying to stay out of everybody's way. I mean, look at this. It's just wall-to-wall people, and people are already lining up for the fireworks. Start for like an hour and a half. It's a long time away still. Alright, 20 minutes till showtime and we are all settled in. It's getting pretty crowded, but there's a nice gap in front of us. They keep open. You probably can't see, it's super dark here. Anyways, Heather doesn't like normal fireworks after watching these. Completely ruined them for her. So, this is the one time of the year that we get to watch fireworks because at 4th of July we just go to bed early now because they're just nowhere near as good as these. So last day of the trip, we finally have making some time to watch them and we are extremely excited.
And they all live.
Then I swear I'll be content.
Go. Let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever.
We're navigating the craziness. And we're home. So we didn't really film anything the rest of the night. I don't know. It was late and crowded and tired, and we had a very early flight the next morning. Hey, what did we get up at? Early? 5? Do we have to be down there at 5?
I think so.
I don't know. So we really didn't film anything else, but we're back. We got our cups that we got this year. We got 3 out of 4 of the Starbucks.
Yeah. Opted out of Epcot.
We opted out of Epcot. We don't go there very much. I mean, we think it's cool, but we don't do all that much over there. Anyways, good to be home. We got the dog stuff. I guess we should have dressed them up. But
we'll show it off another time.
Follow us on Instagram And maybe you'll see our dogs wearing their Disney World stuff.
Yeah, we should put that up.
If they get so lucky. So, anyways, thank you for following along with us and watching our vlogs. We had a lot of fun making them. I hope you guys have enjoyed them too. They're kind of our first time vlogging, so I think they went okay. I don't know. We had fun either way, so be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming up. We will definitely have more Disney-related content at some point. I don't know exactly when.
And other big things.
And there's other big things coming, so stay tuned for that as well. Our next video will be about our Christmas stuff and some stuff after that. So we'll have some lifestyle stuff. We'll do our other trips as we go on trips. And if you were just here for the Disney stuff, don't fret. There will be more down the road. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.